How to make knockout designs in Cricut Design Space. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space canvas, open the text box by clicking on the text tool in the design panel. Step 2. Click on the font drop-down menu and select a thick font for the background. Step 3. Type in a word of your choice in the text bar and resize it. Step 4. If you have selected a font with lines in between, you need to remove the lines. To do this, click on Weld on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 5. Once you've welded, click on Contour at the bottom right side of the screen, then select the inner pieces you want to remove. Step 6. Now go ahead and click on the text tool again. Step 7. Click on the font drop-down menu and select a cursive font for the front. Step 8. Type out some words and resize it. Step 9. With the second text selected, click on Ungroup on the Layers panel. Step 10. Move the letters around to bring them closer and make them look more natural. Step 11. Once you're happy with the cursive letters, select it and click on Weld. Step 12. With the text selected, click on Offset, set the distance and click on Apply. Step 13. Now separate the top layer from the offset and reposition the offset on top of the first text. Step 14. Resize the offset to fit with the background text. Step 15. Once done, select both layers and click on Slice. Step 16. Delete the layers that you do not need from the slicing result in the Layers panel. Step 17. Select the second text layer, drag it on top of the first layer and position it inside the offset. Step 18. Next, select all the layers and click on Contour on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 19. Select the parts you want to contour and close it. Step 20. When you're ready, click on Make It, select on Matte and click on Done. Step 21. In the Prepare screen, click on Continue and select the material you're going to use. Step 22. Place the material onto the mat. Step 23. Press the flashing up and down arrow button to load and press the C button to start cutting. Step 24. Once it's done cutting, eject the mat and start weeding. Step 25. Now cut a piece of transfer tape, remove the backing and place it on top of the vinyl. Step 26. Remove it from the mat and smooth it down using a scraper tool to transfer the decal onto the transfer paper. Step 27. Peel off the transfer tape, apply it to the surface and smooth it down. Step 28. Peel off the transfer tape from the surface and your project is ready. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.